Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable LiteSpeed cache for WordPress on VPS. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To disable LiteSpeed cache for WordPress on a VPS, start by accessing your server via SSH. Use your preferred terminal application to connect. Enter your VPS IP address, followed by your username. Type in your password when prompted. Once logged in, navigate to your WordPress installation directory. Typically, this is located in the public_HTML folder. Use the command cd public_HTML or similar, depending on your setup. Next, locate the LiteSpeed cache plugin. This can usually be found in the WP content/plugins directory. Run the command cd wp content/plugins to enter this folder. Once you're in the plugins directory, identify the LiteSpeed cache plugin folder. The directory is often named something like LiteSpeed cache. Now, disable the LiteSpeed cache plugin by running the command wp plugin deactivate LiteSpeed cache. If you don't have WP CLI installed, you can do this through the WordPress dashboard. Open your browser and log in to your WordPress admin panel. Go to the Plugins section on the left sidebar. Find the LiteSpeed cache plugin in the list. Click on Deactivate to disable the plugin. You can also clear the cache stored by LiteSpeed. To do this, navigate to the LiteSpeed cache settings. Look for the option that says Purge All. Click on it to clear any existing cache. Lastly, ensure that your website is functioning correctly without the cache. Check various pages and features to verify. You have successfully disabled LiteSpeed cache for WordPress on your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.